p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 7 to 13 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Northern Connecticut, central, eastern, northeastern, and western Massachusetts, and northern Rhode Island. When? From 1 a.m. Tuesday to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Impact. Travel could be very difficult to impossible with snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour at times. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions will particularly impact the Thursday morning commute. Additional details when snow and gusty winds may result in power outages. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Winter storm watch remains in effect.